Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and also share my video with friends and families. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a wonderful drama. Nigeria is the place to be. If you see the Nigerian reps exchanging blows as APC and PDP lawmakers clash during budget presentation, it will baffle you. So members of the House of Representatives are now a free-for-all. If you see how they were exchanging the blows, this one blow this one blow this, and before you know it, this one tearing papers. I don't know what they were passing, but I think an opponent party just had to like get angry at the process before they start exchanging blows. If big men like that can do that kind of thing, what do you expect from all the children? What do you expect them to do? Several lawmakers in the House chamber are chorusing, and before you know it, they started giving a protest song. Freedom comes by struggle, freedom comes by struggle. So these two members of the had physical combat. This trouble started when some lawmakers brought out placard and others store it. They brought out placard and others store it. They were however calmed. Shortly after, some of them also engaged. We have our popular Gospel Akpabio who decamped from PDP to APC. So I know that because of that kind of something, so many of them, they must always have clash. So shortly after, another was serious blow in the National Assembly. I wonder why our honorables House of Rep members will be fighting in the chambers physically, where they know that the CCTV camera is there. Anything you do inside that place, you are being cameraed. Why would they be fighting inside there? No matter the arguments, no matter the disagreements, can't you just hold yourself as per? Because everybody, they are fathers, and apart from being fathers, they are well-known politicians, whereby you know that the whole world are looking up to you. So I wondered why they would be fighting inside the chambers every time when they are doing something, an argument comes up, you see people start exchanging blows. So this is not really good. I think the Senate president should also fix a tax for that anybody that fights during the sitting should pay a particular ransom. Because when you think of the ransom you're going to be paying, I think the ransom should be something that when you remove it from your pocket, you feel it. Maybe 10 million for fighting for fighting in the house and let the public watch you outside, because it's not really good. So if they place an embargo like that anybody that commits that pay a fine or will be given a suspension. If you don't want to be given suspension, you pay fine. So by the time you remove that money, you will know that even if somebody says something that provokes you as a leader, you have to control yourself in the public, knowing mainly that this camera is everywhere picking whatever you people are doing. You people are our leaders and we are looking up to you people. So doing this whereby before you leadership by example, so you people are going to start that leadership by making us know that yes, even if you have grudges, let it not be shown in cameras whereby you start exchanging blows. So this all about what happened there in the House of Rep, the city that was about to hold, which the fight came up and it did not hold. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. This is Sukemet TV. If you find my video interesting, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and also share my videos with friends and families. I'll keep giving you updates of what's happening. See you guys in my next video. Bye.